Hi there. Believe it or not, you can get an effective workout done even if you're a little tired or feeling low energy. As a matter of fact, a sustained period of movement is beneficial even if for just 10 minutes. Of course, if you're feeling completely depleted, rest. Kettlebell strength training snacks are powerful activities that blend core, balance, and general body strength development with a dash of cardio if sustained for a longer period. If you're uncomfortable in the rack march, just perform the suitcase march. Try to choose a weight that's moderate to heavy. You can use a weighted object like a kettlebell, dumbbell, or even a heavy water or milk jug. Try to march in place, or if you have the space, walk with the weight for 45 seconds. You can try marching in place for 45 seconds and taking 15 seconds rest. Try repeating that whole cycle for both sides 4 times. Go at your own pace. Enjoy.